Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ARAY. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis on Wednesday, so that is where the orange and then green line is coming from. And as a quick recap, in case you didn't see the video, talked quite a bit about this trend line right here and how is it suggesting some downwards pressure had shown up. Now, did I think that it would be that much downward pressure? No, absolutely not. But yeah, that downwards pressure did reveal itself. And then you can see this morning when the price broke down below that level of support right there. Like I said, nobody would have forecasted that, but quite the beating it took today. So now the price is basically right back to where it started. And what do I mean by where it started? And that is, well, down at these areas of support at $3.75. And this is also what brings about now a very interesting setup, because you go through the history of the chart here, and this is a very historic level of support. I mean, there's been several times where the price has been down around that area, and that's ultimately what created a very nice bounce. Now, don't get me wrong, and I wish I could say trading was this easy. Just because the price has previously bounced off 375 several times does not mean that for sure there's going to be a bounce that happens. Now, would that be shocking to see some sort of upwards price movement? No, that wouldn't be shocking at all. But again, that doesn't mean that it's for sure going to happen. My point is that it's at least a rational thought to have. Whereas let's just say the price had never bounced off 375 before, and then I'm sitting here saying, hey, it's looking like it could bounce off 375. You'd be totally justified to say, what are you talking about? Based on what? It's never done that before. But in this situation, it actually has. So again, does that mean it's for sure going to happen? No, but does that mean it's at least a valid, rational thing to throw out there? Absolutely. So 375, definitely a very important level of support. In the event, though, that level does not hold, the next key overarching level to keep an eye on at that point would be down there around $3.58. To zoom back in here, if there is any sort of attempted bounce going forward, first key level now to watch from a resistance standpoint is going to be that purple line there, which on my chart denotes the very famous 50-period simple moving average, and currently that value is right up there at the $3.96 mark, which you can see right over there. So we'll see what happens with it going into Friday, but yeah, very, very rough day today. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.